InControl Connect uses an external roof-mounted antenna for reliable connection to the strongest possible mobile and data signal while on the move. The powerful high-speed 3G connection allows up to 8 devices to be connected wirelessly within the vehicle. This feature requires a connection to be made either via a Wi-Fi network or a mobile network. When connecting a portable device to the internet, the ignition needs to be switched on. A connection can be made to the internet either via an external Wi-Fi network within range or via a data-enabled micro SIM card. To access the internet connection options, select the Settings icon from any main menu screen. The Settings pop-up menu displays. Touch All Settings, followed by Features. From the list of features, select Connectivity to display the connectivity screen. This screen gives you 3 options: Hotspot, Wi-Fi, and Mobile Data. To create a Wi-Fi hotspot for your vehicle, switch the Hotspot option on. The hotspot's name and password can be viewed via the Hotspot Settings option. To generate a new password, touch the refresh icon. Select Off to disable the hotspot. To connect to a Wi-Fi network, switch the Wi-Fi option on. Touch Add to display a list of available networks on the Wi-Fi network screen. Use the scroll bar, if required, to view the full list. A secure network is indicated by a padlock icon. These require a password to enable them. When a secure network is selected, a keyboard displays. Enter the network's password and select OK. The connecting status is shown next to the network's name. This changes to Connected once the network is connected. The chosen network moves to the top of the list and the network's name is shown on the connectivity screen. If a connection is made, the Wi-Fi icon displays. Touch the name to display a pop-up menu. Selecting Forget erases the network's details from the list. Some networks may not appear in the list and may be hidden. To add a hidden network, touch the Add Network soft key at the bottom of the list. The Add Network screen displays. Enter the network's name by touching the respective Add option. Enter the details on the displayed keyboard and touch OK to confirm the details. If the displayed security type information is incorrect, touch it and select the network's associated security type from the list. If a password is required, touch the respective Add option to display the keyboard. Enter the network's password and select OK to confirm. When all of the relevant information has been entered, touch Connect to access the internet. To connect to a mobile network, switch the Mobile Data option on. A Settings soft key displays on the screen. This soft key allows you to view and change your mobile data settings. If you are having a problem with receiving data from your network operator, touch Network Provider. The Network Provider screen displays with 2 options. Select On to automatically reset your provider's APN settings. Select Off to manually adjust the settings. Enter the name of the network, the username, and the password, and select Connect. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist.